Finally, the end of day 22 is completed. There was so much going on, I didn't get a chance to do the time lapse of it. So I will take you a tour on what has been done. We finally got one full section finished. So, are you familiar with the bridge in the forest? Make sure not to dangle any appendages over the edge or you might lose them. In our skinny hallway, which I just realized I left the ladder in the way, so I can't walk all the way through to show you, but dun dun dun, it's enclosed. Yes, that's how you have to get out. Good luck, y'all. Dun dun dun. Biggest helper ever right here. If it wasn't for you, wouldn't even be built. And then here's the other entrance. Nothing has changed with this stuff, but I like to go through here anyway. I mean, technically I did make these lovely holes. Ooh, I love them. Oh my goodness. You are really, really sad, aren't you? Weird carpeting stuff. I will fix you when I give you some attention. Yes, everything is staged over here as far as this is just the front yard stuff, by the way. I mean, some of that goes inside the haunt, but we rely more on actors. R.I.P. First Pumpkin. Look at it. It's finally completely cracked and dead and missing an eyeball center, and it's just, it needed to be retired a while ago. It happens. I think that one's, well, I think from 2009. So, yeah, it's super old. Super duper old. Oh, I think we got a little bit of damage over here. We had some really high winds. This right here, this is just breeze. This is nothing. And now we're gonna go through this section here. Wait, before I do that, did I happen to show you the actor area that I made? Because no, typically we have them on the outside, but this time we got little looky-loos and reachy outs, and that's the actor door. And even though it comes to an end here, whoa, another reachy through. These are very fun. I like them. And a peek hole so they can see inside there. Ooh. There's actually another one of those over here. But you kind of got to be a little taller to use that one. I can find the hole. Well, it's dark. There we go. There's some stuff. I think there's something right in front of this. Yeah, that's something. I don't remember what I put where. Oh, goodness. You can tell this haunt mostly relies on actors and not props and things. One, just because of money-wise. You can reuse panels over and over again, but props are a big investment. And right now, you just scared the crap out of me. You're great. You're great. Yes, so if this doesn't look familiar, well, that's because we got a crap ton done today. All of that past here, all of these panels, and this support one right here. Yeah. I know, we need an actor up top, and I don't mean up on the balcony. Rawr. Rawr. And that's where we have stopped for the night, because clearly the sun is down. But I think it looks good. It looks fabulous. It looks very weird. Okay, no. So here's the back look at the... This is called the rat hole, by the way. The rat hole, because it was originally created for this giant rat prop I made, but we won't go into what happened to that prop. But let's just say it never got used in the haunt, and we'll leave it at that. No, it did not. But I'm very, very happy with what we got achieved. We've only used one panel out of the storage today, so we still have all of these. And I would say at least 6 inside the storage. So I think we're doing good. rocking and rolling. I hope we'll be able to hammer out a lot of this weekend so we can start with the good stuff, the fun stuff, the lighting. Yes, the lighting, the decor, all the spooky dookies.
No spooky dookies. I have enough of those.
No. Hey, look, it's the moon.
Mama.
Yeah,
Mama.